Good evening, everyone. Welcome to RadioSilentPlay.com. I am your moderator for today on February 12th, 2017. Let me start off by saying I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before trading any stock or options. Trading stocks and options require lots of risk. Okay, let's start off with ticker symbol APHD. This was a stock that we posted last week. We were talking about that potential kiss of that 0.002. Didn't happen, but it still gave traders to buy in that 0.00225 range. That actually hit perfectly. Hit a low of 22 and kissed a high of 0.005. Now what you want to see is a potential retrace down to that 50% from that high. So that's 25. That's your key level of support. Um, February is a lighter month, especially in trading. So you want to be cheap. Keep an eye on the biggest bid support. That's where you want to stay around. Okay, what it is good is that the stock is trading above its 21 and 8-day moving average. So I want traders to kind of understand that. You are trading above this 21 and 8-day moving average. That 21 and 8-day moving average is currently at 31 and 35. So if the stock holds above that 30 level in two consecutive closes, that becomes your key support. You have a gap fill here between 0.008 to 0.01. So it's all up to you as a trader to lock or look for profits. Okay. Remarks, this is a post reverse split with 1 billion AS. So keep that in mind. Okay. Next ticker symbol is ticker symbol HTIC. The stock is still in the watch list. The stock triggered between 12 and 15. Now it is at 27 on light volume, but what you want to see here is you want to see that this wedge key level broke at that 0.0019. So that's one signal. You're trading above that 21 and 8-day moving average, which is 19 and 22. The stock also closed above a key channel, okay, which is this uptrend channel. You closed above 27. So watch that second consecutive close above 28, 25. Now, if you're not in, look for that 0.0019 for that re-entry. Okay. Simply what you want to do now is move your stops down to that 21-day moving average at 19. If the stock closes below 19, two times you simply get out. Okay. That's typically the trade there. Next ticker symbol is rinse and repeat level. The Coho stock traded at 10. Last move was at 0.00 0009. I'm sorry, 0.0098, and it hit that high of 17. So watch that 17 key level of pivot resistance. Okay, so what you want to see is a potential re-entry. If you want to bid somewhere between 7 and 9, then do that. Use that 7 as a stop. That's about a 20-30% risk. Okay, so that's pretty much a rinse and repeat. The last run they had was at 0.008 to 0.01. So that was a considerable move, and that was right here back in November. Okay, so next ticker symbol is ticker symbol QSIM. Okay, QSIM right now, it's very volatile. You're seeing a lot of whipsaw, but you do have support at that 0.003 level. The stock closed at 59 with 58 million volume. I'm not sure about the SS, if they raised it or anything, if it has notes, but what I would recommend is traders to look at that 0.003 level. Okay, that's your key level to hold. If the stock closes above below 0.003, just look to stop out. Close below 0.003 two times, and then that next support is going to be somewhere around 15. It could possibly test that 12 to 15 level. Okay, you want to be cheap, especially in this climate that we have. Next ticker symbol is ticker symbol GLLK. That loss is 28 support, that 0.0028 support. We've seen these type of channels before, okay, but you do have to consider that this stock had 500 million AS. Now it's 2 billion. Okay, I'm seeing that traders are coming in here, but it is 46 million shares, and you're gonna see a lot of scalpers, and you're moving right into this moving day average here at that 8-day moving average of 28. You do got a path of least resistance if the stock closes above 28 two times. So if it closes above 28 two times, then that's your new support, but it hasn't done that yet. I kind of think that this stock may kiss that 0.002 level. It did put in a new low, which was 17. I think it may kiss 12 to 15 level, but you just never know in this market. It's entirely up to you. This has 2 billion authorized shares, So again, it's entirely up to you. Next ticker symbol is ticker symbol HDUP. Like I say, you always pay attention to the 21 and 8-day moving average. This stock is now trading below the moving average, two moving averages, which is very bearish. And now the stock is kind of kissing and closed at that mental support at 11, 10, 11. If the stock closes below 10 two times, watch your bid at 00057, okay? Because then you may be able to scalp this to that 10, 13 level for a nice dead cat bounce. Okay, that's basically it. This is all your trades that I am looking for. Remember, please read our disclaimer. Okay, make sure that you read our disclaimer. And if you have any questions, just feel free email me at radiosilentplay@gmail.com. Take care, everyone.